welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another banana bread recipe for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so today I have another strawberry banana bread for you guys. So if you haven't seen the original one, I'll make sure to link it up right here. So good. But this one is completely different ingredients, different recipe. This one also is going to have a nice strawberry glaze on top. Super excited for that. But all you're going to need for this recipe is, it says 1 medium ripe banana, but I'm using 2 because this is banana bread. How do you make banana bread with 1 banana? So we'll see. So then we have either your vanilla extract or your vanilla bean paste like I have here. You're going to need some vegetable oil, some water, some eggs, some freshly cut strawberries, your sugar, and instead of flour, we're using pancake mix. Told you, it's a little bit different. And then for our glaze, we have our powdered sugar, more of that vanilla extract or bean paste, heavy whipping cream, and then I'm using our strawberry, freeze-dried strawberry powder to get that strawberry flavor for our glaze. Now you've seen me use that in a ton of Starbucks refresher videos and things like that. I'll make sure to link, I'll probably make a playlist and I'll link that right up here for you guys so you can check those out. Super, super good, but I figured I have all these different ingredients, so why not put them to good use? So that's what we're going to do today. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your ovens to 350 degrees. We did that. Then you're going to prepare your pan. Now you guys have seen in my other videos me doing this. You can just spray your pan if you want. You can spray and use parchment paper to be safe. All you're going to want to do is you take out a piece of parchment paper, put your pan upside down like this, and then, where are we? And then all you're going to do is, if I can show you, is you're just going to cut the excess. So this used to be an extra little piece on the end. So you're going to cut the excess from each corner. That way you get kind of like a little cross shape. And then you're going to fit perfectly inside every time. And all you have to do is just literally pull out your bread or whatever it is that you're making. Super easy, super convenient. So we're just going to set that aside. Now I'm just going to go grab my apron and then we're going to get started. Okay, so let me grab my bowl here. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and take your bananas, put them in your bowl, and get to mashing. Now of course the browner your bananas are, the sweeter they're going to be. Now, I've definitely told you guys about this in a different video, but I saw a hack on like the easiest way to mash your bananas is to put them on a flat plate first and mash them so they're not kind of rolling around everywhere. I've still yet to do that myself, but you guys are more than welcome to try doing that and let me know what you guys think. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and add in some other ingredients. Now you guys know I don't like to mash my cabanas. Oh my gosh. My bananas too crazy in the beginning because there's going to be so much more mashing going on, so I want to keep them as chunky as possible in the beginning. Alright, so we have our vanilla extract or our paste. We have our vegetable oil, our water, and then our 2 eggs. Uh-oh. Okay, thank you for whoever said bless you. Now we're just going to give this a quick little stir, just with our fork. Nothing fancy. Okay, should be looking like this. Okay, now I really don't mind just doing all of banana bread with a fork just because it's very easy to make it very tough and not enjoyable. So next we have our pancake mix, our sugar, and our strawberries. So I'm going to add in the sugar first. Just mix that around a bit before we add in the pancake mix. So now we're going to add in the pancake mix. So I wonder how this is going to be. I've never used pancake mix before in a batter. we have our batter. It definitely seems more, I don't want to say watery, but definitely more runny than my typical banana bread is. Mine's usually like thicker than this. This is similar, I guess like similar to cake batter. So now we're going to fold in our strawberries. Now you guys know I usually like to reserve some for the top, like in mine, but since we're gonna have the frosting on top, it's really kind of a waste putting them all on top, letting them get nice and crisp, and then you're just covering them with the glaze. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put them all in here. And then we're just gonna fold these in. That's literally it, you guys. So now all I'm gonna do is go ahead and pour this batter on in here. This is what we have now, you guys. This is what you should look like. So now all we're gonna do is bake this in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is set the timer for 40 minutes, check it with the toothpick test. If it's good, we'll take her out. If it's not, then I'll probably just increase it by 5-minute increments until I feel that it's good. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do with the glaze. Okay, so now it's time for the glaze. So we have our bowl here. Let's bring on over all our ingredients. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our powdered sugar. Okay, I just have a clear, wow. I just have a clear bowl so you guys can see the color that we end up with. All right, so then we're gonna take our vanilla. And here too, you can use the extract or the paste. Just keep in mind that when we're using the paste here, it's definitely going to affect the color and stuff a lot because it's darker and you're trying to make like a strawberry, but you'll see. All right, so we're just gonna, I wouldn't necessarily say stir this because there's a lot more powdered sugar than there is liquid right now. So now we're gonna take our strawberry. I'm gonna start off, let's see, with like half of a teaspoon, because this is a quarter. And we're gonna see how we like that. All right, and then we have our heavy whipping cream, have the tiniest little carton imaginable. Oh my gosh, I'm having flashbacks, like the school milks not opening, even though like I don't drink milk. Okay. And we're gonna start off with 2 tablespoons. And then we're gonna see how our consistency is, if we have to add more or not. Looks like we're gonna have to add more. Alright, so you guys should have something that looks like this. See, it's kind of like a baby pink. So it's like not super runny, but not super thick. So you can play with the consistency. I would say that I added maybe 2.5 tablespoons, maybe 3, but I would definitely 2 wasn't enough. So I would say go to 2.5 or 3. And then I added I would say a teaspoon of the strawberry powder as well. And as you can see, because we have the actual vanilla bean paste, you have the vanilla bean little specks. So good. So we have to give it a little taste test. Let me just grab and knuckle it. Really good. Okay. So we're just gonna let this sit aside while we wait for our bread to finish baking, and then we're going to let that cool. We're going to put our glaze right on top and get ready to try some. Okay, let's see how we did here. So I only put it in for the 40 minutes so far. So let's do our toothpick test and see where we're at. We're good on the sides, but we're still in the middle. So I'm gonna put her back in there, and we'll check up on it in another 5 minutes. Actually, 10. Okay. Let's see. It's been another 10 minutes, so we're at the 50-minute mark. Cling. How good does this look, you guys? I can't wait for this to cool down so we can put on the glaze. Okay guys, so we're all cooled, and now I'll show you what I meant by how you can just literally flop it right on out. Comes out super easy. And I'm just going to transfer this right over. Done. So this looks and smells so good already. I can't wait to add our little glaze. So we're just going to give it a nice little stir. So there's no right or wrong way to do this. I'm just going to kind of put it all over and let it drip on the sides if it wants to drip on the sides. Okay guys, so I have my little setup here. How cute. This came out so good. So I'm just gonna do a slice down the middle just so we can see. Oh my god. Okay, so I need to just cut like a sliver or something. Oh, it's so soft and moist, you guys. I'm gonna have a chunk of strawberry, the banana bread, some of the glaze. Oh, you guys, I think this might be my original recipe. Okay. I'm just gonna chill here for a sec. You guys, that is so good. I don't even know what else to say about it. I know a lot of things on here I'm like, oh my god, it's so good. But it really is. This is amazing. I've never had a banana bread with a glaze or a frosting or anything like that on top. This is so good, and it's still a little bit warm on the inside. This is super moist. I can't believe how moist that is. I love the chunks of the strawberries, and I love that little added touch of the glaze on top. I definitely would recommend to use like the freeze-dried strawberries or a powder or something, because it really changed this up a bit. I love the flavor. Everything meshes so well together. I feel like I do a lot of strawberries with banana, so maybe I can try something else, maybe a blueberry or something like that. Definitely let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to mess around with some more banana bread recipes, but this is so good. Definitely let me know what you think in the comment section below, if you liked this one better or if you liked my original strawberry banana bread better. I mean, I can't believe I think I like this one better. I really do, and I love that other one. Anyway, that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who likes banana bread or dessert or strawberries or icing. Please share this video. It would really help me a lot, and I'm sure it would help some of your friends and fam find a new recipe that they're in love with, because I am in love with this one. But as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link to join the fam. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!